Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. Today I want to talk about Qigong and Tao Te Ching. But anyway, it's raining outside, and so I have to stay here. The light's not as good. But anyway, one thing is very important to understand that when imagine pulling up, but you must going down first. It's the two way of doing it. Right? So when you're going out, like something pulling you, and then pulling forward and pulling back. So up and down. But you must imagine it, your coccyx is going down and up. So when I said the coccyx absorb, turn one circle, release, turn another circle. Now, this is a way of training. But however, if you don't understand, you need to relax while you're turning it. Just let your mind do the turning. But if you physically absorb, release. Now, you need to physically turn it, but such a day after you do it correctly for about 1 month, then you need to let go of it, then use your mind to do the release, absorb, to do the turning. So that you can pull your head while you're doing the turning. If you don't let go, if you only thinking turning, then you forget the upper part, and then you still become blocked. Your body is blocked, the chi is blocked. Of course, much better than you are not turning your coccyx. And I know that people get stuck because their coccyx is not flexible. It's not flexible. So it is the imagine coccyx turning. This is you must release, absorb. That's why you must need to get on the 6 direction Lao Chi in our program. Of course, we emphasize very much release, absorb, and 6 direction on the online program. If you can sign up, then really improve your the Qigong. So I'm not just trying to, because it's all my life, doing the same thing, every day doing the same thing. But turning is the key. But turning is not there yet. But without turning, you'll never get it. But without turning, you already have entered the door, and then imagine that total relax, and then one time I said that carry a meat hook holding. So you're dead, but you're not dead because you're alive. And then turning, and the same pulling, and then turning become automatic. But you have to follow, release, absorb. You just totally let go. Your shoulder let go, your elbow, the whole thing let go. But you must able to relax first, able to physically doing it first before you letting it go. You cannot before you can do it. Then it's let go. That's no good. You need to fix it. You need to physically able to do it. That means you do it over and over again for about 100 days. And then one piece, other piece, you let go of it. Just like you peeling the onions. At the end of emptiness. So the whole body is empty. Is what we make our cells. Cells make up atoms. So all atoms inside is empty. So we are empty, but we are moving. So there's a paradox, but it's very important. Understand when you're doing Qigong. When you're doing this, then what? And then you can feel your feet flat on the ground, and then you can move at the center. You don't drop your hands. I see a lot of people when they're getting old, they're doing this. And when they see it, no, like it's very different. So today try it. So you need to turn the coccyx, but relax it once you're doing it. Once you know how to do it, and then like pulling forward and pulling back. Now one time we said the grandfather clock, the clapper of the bell turning. You can think that the coccyx, like the clapper of the grandfather clock moving forward, just swinging through. But now if you can pull up and then Even better if you can imagine that. But this take a lot of visualization. But only when you're very relaxed, then you can one layer, another layer, then you're totally relaxed. And then at all time during your daily life, you are in your abdominal area. So you are all there fighting outside, doesn't matter, because inside you're very calm. But you can firm up your muscle, but inside you're very relaxed. But anyway, all right, so try it. Love yourself, love others, love nature is the essence of Tao. I love you from Yangzhou.